What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you amazing crypto project. This project, it's not launched yet. And what they're developing, nobody's actually doing on the market yet. So it's literally going to be groundbreaking thing. And it's going to redefine DeFi, ETF, and etc. And I think this project can easily, in a bull market, do 10x, 100x, even up to 1000x. And I'm going to show you in details why. But before I show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And the best part about this project, it's not even launched yet, so you can follow them on Twitter and get in early before price is gonna go through the roof. So this project, it's called Alvara Protocol, and it's redefining ETFs, gateway to the world of on-chain fund management. So they have Telegram. If you go to the Telegram, you can get more information about it, Twitter account, of course, and you can go to their website and read everything about this project. And we're gonna go through really quickly, and then we're gonna come back and I'll show you a quick video, like a quick ad about this project. So if we go to their website, as you can see right here, tokenized funds for the DeFi future. Then if we scroll down, you can see their backers and partners. And then we're changing the way the world invests. There has been long-standing demand for mechanism within a vast cryptocurrency market that allows users to hold multiple cross-chain assets in a single trackable basket. The wait is now over. So they work with many different cryptocurrencies and thousands of tokens to choose from. So basically you're going to be able to create or mint basket and add all kinds of cryptocurrencies in there. So it's going to connect to Uniswap, and then everything that Uniswap offers, you can add into this fund. And you can break it down by different percentage. You can have 25% of Uniswap, 25% of like the Decentraland, and maybe other cryptocurrencies. And then you will also have to have 5% of Alvara tokens in there. Then you can manage your portfolio here. You can have different, like a basket name or different fund name. And then, like I said earlier, you can choose your weight, like for example, how much percentage you would like to allocate to one specific currency. And then they also have marketplace. So let's say you created some kind of fund and you have 4 or 5 different cryptocurrencies there. They're doing very well, and then you need some money, so you can sell it in a marketplace and then sell your funds, and then you can clear data. Then of course, every time when you're going to create a fund, you're going to be put in a leaderboard, and if your fund or your basket is going to perform very well, then you'll be on the top of leaderboard. Then you can learn more here, look at the white paper, and then they also come out with constant update. Now if we scroll down, you can also see white paper, roadmap, tokenomics, and Lightpaper. We're going to take a look at Lightpaper and then tokenomics at the end. So let's pull up their Lightpaper, and if we scroll down a little bit, we already went over basket, their factory, and then leaderboard, and then marketplace, governance, and incentives. So let's say, for example, if your basket or your fund is actually doing very well, then who's in DAO will be able to actually vote, and then you will be incentivized like that. Also, they'll have HiveX. So HiveX, once you're gonna mint your fund, you'll get some LP tokens, and you can actually provide LP tokens with other liquidity or like with other pair for a swap, and you're gonna be able to earn fees and all that for providing liquidity. And then let's look at Alva utility. So this is actually the best part. This is what actually excites me the most. So minimum of 5% Alva in every fund. So that's mean anything you create, if you invest 1 ETH, 2 ETH, 10 ETH, 5% of that needs to be Alva tokens. So with that being said, there is going to be high demand, and this is going to increase the price of the token. Then bribes during gouge weight voting. So if you have, or if you are staking Alva tokens, then you're going to be able to take the part of the governance and vote for the best fund. So the more tokens you own, the more power you have to vote. Again, this is going to be demand on tokens. And then of course, staking for rewards. The more you stake, the better or more rewards you're going to get. So again, this is going to increase the price. Then another mechanism, they have buyback and burn mechanism. So part of their fund taxes or fees, the way it's broken down, their sort of percentage is actually gonna go to buyback and to burn. So from the beginning, this is gonna be deflationary token. They're constantly going to be buying back and burning tokens. With that being said, supply is going to get smaller and price is going to go up. And then staking for VE Alva or governance token, this is going to increase the demand. So I think just from the utility of the token itself, the price can go through the roof easily, 100, even up to 1,000, maybe even more. Nobody knows. In a bull run, it's very hard to predict. And once we're going to look at tokenomics, you'll see what I'm talking about. So if we pull up tokenomics, so as you can see right here, total supply, it's 200 millions. But at TGE, there's only going to be 12 million tokens, and tokens going to be in a decentralized and centralized exchange. So it's going to be for liquidity, and then 2 more millions from a 10-set launchpad. And then if we look at right here, we can see a cliff period, how long it's going to take until this specific round or stage, how long they'll have to wait until they're going to start getting tokens, and then their vesting period, like for example right here, 24 months, this one 4 months, 6 months, 33 months. And then as you can see, the most BTS incentives, 43% of the tokens, it's 88 millions, but the vesting is 372 months. It's like 31 years. So technically, there's never gonna be 200 million tokens on the market, and with the buyback and burn, tokens constantly gonna be decreasing from the supply. Yes, they're gonna be unlocking, but they never gonna get to 200 millions. And then every single time fund is getting created, fees are getting paid, and then fraction of the fees going back to buyback and burn. And that's how I think this project can do very, very well in a bull run. And with the ecosystem, they're creating redefining ETFs, something new that's never been done in a Web3 space. And then if you pull up their Medium articles, you can see right here, if you would like to dive deep, you can read every single article that they came up with, and you can learn more about this project. And let's go back to their Twitter account and let's look at this video really quick. Basically, video is gonna describe and explain it to you how you can create and mint your BTS fund. Right here, you just press on create ERC BTS, and then it's gonna take you here. You can upload avatar, picture, name, and then ticker, and then you can add a description as well. Right here, you just need to choose tokens, the one you would like to allocate to your fund. Once you choose all the tokens, right here you set the amount, the percentage for each token that you would like to allocate, and then you just press allocate. And then in here, as you can see, the minimum amount is 1 ETH. Once you add, then you press on review. It's going to show you exactly what you have. And like I stated, Alvara is going to be 5% of your fund on every fund that you're going to be making. And then you just press on mint, and that's it. Your fund is now live. This is just a quick video of explaining or showing you the process, how to mint or how to create your fund, and now you're officially a fund manager. And this is pretty much it. This is the project that's redefining ETF, never been done before in the Web3 space, and they're building something incredible, especially to newcomers to Web3 who's trying to invest and hold cryptocurrency. And instead of holding tokens on different exchanges, different wallets and all that, you can have it all in one place. Thanks for watching.